how I create a fake background from here to here. Let's take a look. If one of the things that's holding you back from starting your YouTube channel or creating that video is your background, or you feel like your space is not pleasing enough, or you don't have the background or the setup you want, then keep watching this video because this video is for you. What you're going to learn here will help you to create any background at all that you want using two softwares, and you can do this for free, completely free. I'm going to show you how to achieve this using your mobile phone and the laptop. Hello and welcome back. My name is Richard. I make videos about cryptocurrency, how to make money online, and how to grow your social media account. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, like and comment, and please message me for advert and business promotion. So now let's go to my phone. Let me show you the tutorial on how to change or how to make a fake background.
To change the background or to create a fake background using your mobile phone, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store and search for CapCut. So when you search for CapCut, then you download it. This is my CapCut, as you can see it here. So once you download it, you then open the CapCut. This is the CapCut. So the next thing we are going to do here is that we are going to download the image or the background we are going to use for this video. So go to this website I'm going to show you here. Come to this website, PizzaPay. Come to this website called PizzaPay. Come to this website, then you can download any background you want, any picture at all. As you can see, there's many of them. You can search it by yourself by going to the search bar, and search, let's say, room background. Just search for it. You see it will come. So you can see a lot of background here, a lot of beautiful rooms background. You can take any one you like. The only thing you need to do is just to hold the picture like this and it will download. You hold it and click on the download button, it will download. So let's just take this one again, second one. You click on download, then you download it. So the next thing you need to do is to go back to the CapCut. So when you come back to the CapCut, you click on this create new project. You click on it. So once you click on create new project, you click on photos. So you can select any picture, any background you like here. Let's select this one. So you click on add. The next thing you do is that you click on the aspect ratio. From this aspect ratio, this is where you select the type of the ratio you want, whether you are doing for YouTube video or for Facebook video. So you select it here. You click aspect ratio, and for YouTube video, you should select this one, 16.9. You select 16.9, and the next thing you do is that you make sure that expand this picture so that it will cover the whole space. So as you can see, this one is done. Then the next thing we do here is that we have to add the video, the video we are going to change the background. So what you do, you come to add overlay. You click on overlay. You click on add overlay. So and then you click on videos. You can select any video of your choice. So let me just select just one video. So let me just select this video. This is video I'm going to change the as you can see, the background just white.
Hello and welcome back.
So the next thing you do is that this picture you have to extend it so that it will reach the end of the video. We are going to change the cover. So another thing you also have to do is that this ending, the road CapCut, you have to delete it so that it will not show. So the next thing we're going to do here is that you click on the video and you click next on remove background. This is remove background. You click on this remove background, click on this remove background, and it will remove background immediately for you. So click on it, then you click on auto remover, auto remover. So click on auto remover and then you click OK, which will remove the background immediately. Then the next thing you have to do is that you have to resize the picture, maybe put it in the size the way you want it to be, like the way you want it to be. Put it this way. So let me just play this video for you. You see how it looks like right now. Then this one have to adjust it. Cut, split, delete, make it look. As you can see where it is.
Hello and welcome back. My name is Richard. I make videos about cryptocurrency.
As you can see, you can also change the background if you want to change the background, add more background of it, change the different background. Let me add a different background here. So if you want to add a different background, click on this add here, go to photos, and then you can click any background of your choice at all, any background at all. Click on it, you add. As you can see, you have a different background. That background also have to extend it so that it will be as you want. So you can add as many background as you want. Let me just add another background so that you see it. Let me just add this background. You see. So you can add as many background as you want. So another thing you also have to know here is that you can also come to effects. When you click on this effect, it will show you a different more options, things that you can make your video more beautiful, more good. Like let's say light effect. Just wait a minute, it will come. I add a different effect on it.
Hello and
You can
welcome
see
back. My name is
that.
Richard.
Okay, let me add a different effect as well. Effect. Um, just wait more. Look at this one as well.
Hello
So
and
there's a lot of effect. There's a lot of these things. There's a lot of things you can make that can make your video look very good.
welcome
So
back.
please,
My name is Richard.
if you have watched
I
up,
make videos about
if you have
cryptocurrency.
watched up to this level, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, like and comment and share this video. Please like and share this video and follow me for more. Thank you so much and see you next time.